So what we've got here is Ego Pro X lawnmower. So this is the LMX5300SP. Let's get it unboxed. Been waiting to get my hands on one of these since seeing it at Grounds Fest. Really good to see Ego coming out with a full commercial machine. Grass catcher here, dust guard on top, that really helps. So make sure you go and actually register this with your warranty, all in there, what you should do in the manual, etc. Here we have the grass catcher. Nice to see this is metal as well. So this is metal, normally these are plastic, so obviously this is going to last a lot longer. Sometimes these can be a bit of a battle to get in. See how I get on with this one. Here we go. There's a grass box, nice plastic base, normally where they wear on the corners there, so overall quite a nice bag. Seems heavy duty. Now, okay, there's a handle. I'll now see if I can get my assistant to move the box out of the way. You can try the box, mate.
Yeah.
Sit stuck.
Yeah.
So here we have it. Ego Pro X commercial mower. This has got a 53cm cutting capacity, professional grade cast aluminium deck, dual port power units. You can get 2 batteries in there. So yeah, let's get this built. So that's been the first look at the Ego Pro X machine. Loads of height adjustment, big wide wheels, which I think helps. With a lot of the mowers with the wheels, they can be quite thin and leave ruts. I'd imagine these aren't actually going to be that bad with the size of them. All built really well, like all the matte black. Yeah, big bag, got front bumper, 2 height adjustments. So that's been our unboxing and first look at the machine. Hope you like the video. Any questions, put them down below. Follow me on YouTube and Instagram. I'm on both. But yeah, any questions, put them down below. And once I get this out and getting it to work, we'll have some more videos up for you.